Huzzah! Hello YouTube! I am back. So to address the elephant in the room before we get started today, yes, I did have to have a small surgery on my face to remove a sebaceous cyst. For those of you who haven't been following my live streams, which by the way, you should check out over here on twitch.tv/LOSTLiLLiTH, which went perfectly well, but it is going to take some time for me to heal. I'm finally at a place now where it doesn't look too vicious, I feel like, and it is healed enough that I can like put on makeup and wash my face properly. So here we are. You've seen the title. So this is a return to my old form, to my ye old Tumblr days. Today we are doing an Angelic Pretty unboxing. So for those of you who are new here and don't know, I am a big lover of Gothic Lolita, the Japanese street fashion. And that's what we're focused on here today. So this is my first time buying a new dress from Angelic Pretty in a long time, so I'm kind of excited. So I did buy this from the JP online store. I find that generally right now the exchange rate is a lot better buying with a proxy service from the Japanese site than buying from the US or the European shops, just for me personally. So I was super excited when I saw this one go on pre-order. I really love the print. It's been a long time since I bought Angelic Pretty. So without further ado, we are going to open it up today and I will give you guys some quick impressions. I am actually going out to a local festival and I plan to wear it to this event. So I will hopefully have a little mini vlog for you guys at the end of this and an OOTD. As you guys know, we have handy dandy My Melody scissors to dig into this. So there is some other stuff in here, some Ayato things. There's like a lot of things from the Mini Me Cafe collab that Genshin did with like Line Friends. I have been living for this collab. I have been going absolutely nuts trying to find all of the items. And so far, I've gotten everything. Alright. Oh, I see the front! I see the little ghosties. The little ghosties. The little ghosties. Sorry, I hit you guys. Here we go. It's right on top. Lucky licky. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. I don't know if this is going to come with any goodies or not. I don't think so. Maybe we get a postcard. I think my last Angelic Pretty had a postcard. Order had a postcard, but I'm not sure. Oh, it looks like my Ayato things are bundled up in there as well. So let's see. And here it is, wrapped up nice and sturdy in bubble wrap. So the proxy service I used this time was Zen Market, as I usually do these days. I really enjoy that they have a credit system again. It's just overall really appreciate them as a proxy. I can see that it comes with a shopping bag. Oh my gosh, a new Angelic Pretty shopping bag. It's been so long, you guys. Ghosties, here she is, here she is. So I did get the JSK in the black version. I really wanted to get the socks and the head bow, but the JP site was completely sold out. I have seen that some of the other stores do still have it in stock, but not sure if I'm gonna take the plunge yet. Oh, I love the colors so much. I'm gonna like live in this Halloween. Ooh, okay, I'm wearing gloves, so it's a little bit hard to tell, but first impressions, the fabric feels really, really nice. It has been a long time since I've had a new Angelic Pretty dress, so I'm really interested to kind of compare the prices here. So here it is, straight out of the bag. I'm seeing no wrinkles, which is really nice. Fabric feels really, really nice. I can see that the bodice is lined. Fully sheared back. Let's see, what do we have? Is there a built-in petty? Built-in petty and pockets is what I want to check for. Okay, no built-in petty, but the skirt is still fully lined. From what I can tell, yeah, no built-in petty. And she has pockets! Yay! Oh, how exciting. How exciting. That's one of my favorite things about AP. Okay, and I'm noticing from the sizing, okay, we have your typical waist ties with the shirring. There's no corset lacing, which I do tend to prefer the corset lacing because it just helps me get a better fit. We do have buttons on the straps as usual, so you could adjust it, but you will have to manually adjust the button yourself and re-sew it on if that's needs to be done. Hopefully it's not a problem for me. Usually it's not. So cute. In love. Absolutely love it. Okay, so we've got like a bright pink tag here. Very cute. I like it. I like the gold. I think the last time I bought anything new, like I bought some new accessories from Angelic and they were still using like the pastel pink tags then, so. Let's take a look now at the goodies. We gotta get the freebies. So it looks like the only thing it came with, unless there's something packed up with my Aito stuff, which I doubt they did, is just a nice big shopping bag. This is so cute. I have a little area of my closet, where my shoes are, that I've kind of cut up a lot of my shopping bags from over the years and made like a little mural. So I always like to make use of those because I think they're super cute and they're nice things that a lot of the JFASHION brands do, even outside of Lolita Fashion. This print really stood out to me because one of the things that I loved is that there's all these little bunnies, the Angelic Pretty bunnies, that are like dressed up as cats. I think that is the cutest thing in the world. Some that are dressed up as different things. You've got the witch and the little like bat demons, but the cats are the cutest, and the little cat cookies. This expression is like very Po to me. Oh my god, this dress is giving me like cute aggression. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute, cute. Like I put it on and I feel like my Halloween vibes just like went up at least 150%. Let's first talk about like the fit and how it was to put on. So interestingly enough, I didn't really expect this, but it has no side zip. This thing is just fully sheared in the back. I will say, as someone who's a little bit on the shrimp side of the sizing scale, it's a little roomy for me. I've definitely got like space, especially in the bust. Even with the shearing and the waist ties tied, which I think makes me feel slightly like this might fall off my shoulders, but it's not bad enough that it actually has fallen off. So we'll suspend judgment. So yeah, it was interesting to get it on, but I will say that the shearing is so wide that I did not have to pull it over my head. I could actually just pull it up completely from the bottom up, which is kind of a bonus with my current face issue going on. It seems a lot more to have a larger size range than what I'm used to with like older Angelic Pretty pieces. Anyway, it's also significantly longer than I expected. I'm used to kind of AP having the shorter dresses, but this one definitely scales to the longer side, and you're gonna need some mammoth petticoats for this one, guys. But otherwise, I'm super impressed by the quality. I absolutely love this like softer fabric that they've used on this. It's absolutely wonderful. It feels really nice and smooth to the touch. The print is just like super clear and gorgeous, and like it's so freaking cute, you guys. Another thing is of course the pockets. So the pockets, I need to test this because I'm like, is she big enough? Is she big enough? Okay, we're gonna do the phone test to see if a phone will actually fit in here. I kind of think mine won't. I do have a really big phone though, so I have the 13 Pro Max, so okay, no, pocket does not fit phone. Sad. Can you guys see it? Yeah, it's kind of like hanging out. It's hard to see because it matches the colors, but yeah, it does not quite fit in there. You could definitely fit plushies in those pockets. That's what I'm thinking right now, because that would be a perfect spot for Ayato and Sunday. Anyway, so overall, I am super excited about this dress. I am gonna be wearing this so much this Halloween. end of today's video. Thank you guys for joining. I did want to give a quick shout out because I realized I haven't really talked about it on these YouTube videos yet, but I do live stream in another life as a VTuber. If you want to check that out, I will have all the links down below, as well as in my link tree. You can find a link to everything. I do art commissions. I do weekly live streams most Sundays, and I also have a YouTube channel separate for my VTubing journey. So if you want to check that out, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Anyways, it's nice to be back. I hope I can join you guys again for weekly content. Thank you for being patient with me this summer, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, YouTube.